Welcome to another tutorial. I'm your host Fraser and this is a Great Vision video. I'm demonstrating the basics of an if statement. So an if statement checks if values are equal or not equal to the statement within the bracket. Okay, what does that mean? It means that to compare values, you have to have a variable and a statement. Okay, so my variable is a x integer of x and its value is of 10. So keep in mind this sign means assign 10 to the variable of x, integer variable of x. So what does it mean to compare values? So I have in front of us a basic greater than, greater than assignment operator. So if it basically says, is x greater than 100? If this is true, please just print this out. So let's build and run to check if what I have on the board. So, so if it's true, then it's gonna print true. If it's not true, it's not gonna print anything. So let's build and run. So x is not greater than 100. So let's check if x is less than 100. This one should print true because 10 within my assignment is less than 100. Everybody knows this. So it's printed true. Okay, so x is less than 100. In other words, 10 is less than 100. So what if I want to check if they're not equal, or are they equal? I can do that. So to check if something is equal, we use two equal to signs. Remember, one equal to sign means that I'm assigning a variable assignment. This equal to sign means a variable assignment. But if you make them two, it's just basically checking if this is another way of saying this is an equal to sign. Are they equal? It's not, am I assigning 100? So let's build and run. Is x equal to 100? It should print nothing. Okay, so let me make my x 100 to show you how it works. So is my x equal to 100? Yes, it's true. So that means it's true when it's both 100. So now let's check. How do I check if they're not equal? How do I ask the program, are they not equal? We do this by adding an exclamation mark. So with the assignment operator. So basically is what you call this. This means is x not equal to 100? This should print true because it's not equal, right? So that is true, that x is not equal to 100. Okay, now let's check, let's make them equal to see if it'll actually work like the previous one. So is x not equal to 100? No, nothing is printed on because x is 100 and they are equal. Remember when I said another equal to sign? It means they are actually equal. So that's not equal and equal. So and we have one more statement, less than or equal to 100. So that means is x less than or equal to 100? Let's check. They are equal, and yes, that's true. Now check this out. Is x less than 100? No, nothing is printed because it's not less than or equal to sign. You see the difference just by one. Now let's double check. Is x greater than or equal to 100? True, once more. Why? Because it is equal to and greater than 100. So just by removing the equal to sign, you'll see that nothing will be printed. So it just makes a difference just by one thing. So those are your assignment operators. Let me just put them all in a statement here for you to see. So we have an assignment operator of equal to, an assignment operator of not equal to. We have less than, greater than. And then we have less than, equal to, and then less than, greater than and equal to. So those are your assignment operators. You need to remember these in case you want to compare values or variables. And remember, when you're comparing, you can also compare two different variables in your statement. So if, for instance, my variable here is y, and I say x greater than or than y, let's make it or equal to, greater than or equal to y. It should print all these assignment operators on your CMD. So yeah, you can compare variables, you can compare numbers, you can compare numbers to numbers, for instance. Just press insert. You can compare numbers and all together, and you can also compare variables just alone. But it's not common to just compare numbers, because then um, why would you need an if statement if you're just gonna compare numbers? What if your case um, you can like you wouldn't find this in a program because you're just comparing numbers. It's really silly. People normally just have like a variable like okay, my variable is 100. Let me check if my statement is true. Like this could be a constant. So thank you for watching. Sorry I dragged this video out too long